Okay, I'm going to show you how to do a t-test to compare the abundance of a species in two different locations. So let's have a look at the bracken fern, and we're going to compare 0 to 10 meters and 20 to 30 meters. So first of all, we just need to copy the data, and then we're going to go to Google, and we're going to go to Social Sciences t-test, and we get the t-test calculated for two independent means. Okay, so we're going to put this data in. Now we've got to tidy this other variable, all for the 20 to 30 meters. So we're going to grab that. Just make sure you're grabbing the right one. Okay, so we're going to grab this data here. Okay, and so we're doing a t-test. So we're trying to identify if there's a statistically significant difference in the the abundance of bracken fern between these two locations. And certainly it looks like it probably is. Okay, now once we've done that, okay, we're going to measure statistical significance to the 0.05 threshold, and let's just say one-tailed. That means we expect the direction in one particular direction. That is, that there's a higher abundance closer to the water. But if we weren't sure which way, then we'd have to do a two-tailed test. All right, so let's calculate the T and P values. And look, all of this information here we don't need. And equally, this information here we don't need either. The T value is important for us when we're presenting our information in our report, but this is the important information that you want, is your P value. 0.000617, so that means it's less than our threshold of 0.05. Therefore, there's a statistically significant difference in the distribution of bracken fern between 0 and 10 meters and 20 to 30 meters. Okay, that's what we're trying to look at here. Now, I will just encourage you to have a look at this at some stage. It shows you how to actually use APA 7 when you're reporting on your data. So I'd like to see that in your report.